Hey pumpkins, I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be inspired by my nails that I did. I'm still a little hoarse, so please bear with me. So I'm going to call this a black and red foil design. So you'll need to paint your nails whatever color you want or paint them black and red. And then you'll need some foil adhesive that will help the foil stick on your nails. Then I have some red foil here. So let's begin. Oh my God, my voice is so gone. So you want to go ahead and put the foil glue just in spots of your nails. Wherever it is that you want your foil to go. We're going to put some here, here, here. You could cover the whole nail, or you can do little spots or big spots. So today I am doing big spots. So we're going to let that dry, and I'm going to come back and place the foil on the actual glue. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. Now that the glue is pretty much dry, we're going to take our foil and we're going to just stick it on there and press just like that. And the foil just sticks on the glue. And you just press down, press the product in there, and just snatch it. Just like that. And we're going to do the other one. Press, pull, press, pull, press, pull, press, pull, press, pull, and there we go. And now you have similar nails to this. So we're going to add some bling, add some design. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and today I'm going to be using this nail art brush. Also, I'm going to be using some black acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. My brush is a nail art brush by Sakura #2. So it has the yellow piece on the end, and that's my brush. So we're going to take the nail. Let me reposition the camera. Dip it in our paint. And draw a line to the side. To the other side. Come almost halfway down. Another line. Match them up. Another one. And you keep going depending on how long your nails are. So there. After that's completed, you want to get a daughter. And we're going to make some dots. They go down the nail. So you want to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you can put some dots on the side or be creative as you want to be. It is totally up to you. All right. So our design is complete. Now we're going to let that dry. I'm going to come back and show you how I apply the rhinestones. We'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Last video, I used this gel that I got off of eBay. Now, I'm just going to use this for practice. I wouldn't recommend using this product. I'm not sponsored, but I really wouldn't recommend using this. It was really cheap. The rhinestones didn't last that long. So I'm just going to be using this for practice, not for actual nail designs or clients. So you want to get you a brush, a gel brush, and today's gel brush I'm using is number 81, DNS Gel Brush 6 England. So now I'm going to take it, I'm going to dip my brush into the gel, get a nice amount because you really want to put the gel on the nail so that the rhinestones can really stick in. Also, you really want to cover the foil with gel so that the foil won't rub off. So you want to get a nice, good amount. So once you apply a thick coat of that, you can begin applying your rhinestones. You can put as many as you want on them or as few as you want. And then we're going to do the same for this one. Go ahead and apply a thick coat of the gel. Onto the nail to cover, again, the foil from rubbing off. And you need a thick layer so that your rhinestones can go ahead and sit in the gel. All right, so those are completed. Now we're going to wait for all of this to dry and cure. And after that, I'm going to show you the final look. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is the final look. I hope you liked it. I hope it was simple. I hope I made it simple for you guys. And please like, subscribe, and share to this video and to this channel. I'll be back with another video coming soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, pumpkins. Bye.